Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I set up my backdrops like this behind me in my 1-bedroom apartment. Limited space, limited room, limited storage. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that for a very inexpensive price. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I do my own at-home studio, my DIY studio in my 1-bedroom apartment. You gotta make it work with what you got, okay? And so anyway, I have a whole bunch of backdrops. I'm gonna show you guys how I hang up, how easy and convenient it is. With my 1-bedroom apartment, I can't leave my setup like up and ready and all the time. So this is the easiest way that I've come up with to hang my backdrops, like this one right here. Anyway guys, there's a whole bunch of different colors you guys can try. As always, the links will be down below in the description box to where I got these backdrops for you guys. So everything will be down below in the description box for you to check out. Grab them there. That's where I get all of my backdrops, the many colors that I have. I grabbed them all from Amazon. So anyway, I have the links down below to the exact ones that I get, and you may want to go ahead and grab those just because now you can see them in real life. Anyway guys, let's get started. So this is super simple. You're just gonna need a few supplies for this. First and foremost, you're gonna need a curtain rod. I got this from Amazon or Target, wherever you're gonna get it, but I of course prefer Amazon. And then also you're going to need some seamless paper. I have all my seamless paper and I get them from Amazon as well, just like I get everything from Amazon. But I have a whole bunch of colors that you guys can use, and I will link every single one of them down below as well. But I get all my seamless paper from Amazon, so this is what I'm using, is literally a curtain rod, a drill, and seamless paper. Okay, so I have my roll right here. I am demonstrating with just the pink one right now just to show you guys. I have this tape on here just because when it's up there it needs to have something to of course hold it so it doesn't like roll down. But yes, so I have these in a whole bunch of colors, and I will show you guys pictures of me taking my own photos with this stuff because it is amazing and you can do it yourself. You set the camera up on a tripod and then you just snap the photos. I take my rod here that I showed you guys earlier. You can get this from Target or Amazon. I really recommend that you get it from Amazon though. I will link it down below. These holes are pretty. Let me show you guys the dimensions. So as you guys can see, it has a pretty like round hole right there. The curtain rod fits like perfectly through this without me even having to take off the ends of it, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. This is how big this part is. This is what I was talking about. So all you do whenever you're ready to put a roll of this paper up, this is seamless paper. All you do, you're going to slide it in and then let it fall through a little bit. So then as we have it, this end and this end. So then all you do is go hang it up on the wall. Then I'll show you guys how I pull it down. Also on my wall, I spaced out the clips. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. This is just a bit that comes with the drill. All right, so now that my screwdriver is ready, all that I'm gonna do is go up on the wall, space out the length of the paper, and then I will be able to like put the marks on the wall where I need to screw in the nails to hold the hooks to then hold the backdrop. So anyway, I'm ready. Nice and sturdy. Okay, so once I've rolled it all the way down, then I go back up and I put a little push pin right in the center. That way it doesn't keep rolling, because it will. All right, so now that it's down and I put the push pin right in the center of it, everything else is perfect. I know you guys are like, but wait, it's not covering the whole wall, but it doesn't necessarily need to, because if you're not gonna need that much room, you can make it longer. Like there are seamless papers that go longer, but this is perfect for my room and perfect for my apartment since I do just have a 1-bedroom apartment. So I didn't want it to be too dramatic. And literally what I love about this is that whenever I am done with it, I can simply take down the hooks, take down everything, and it doesn't look weird. It's literally just like a curtain rod, and those little hooks that I put up there to hold the rod, those just slip off, and I can place those in storage until I need it next. So it's really easy. So all I do now, as you guys can see, this part is done. So if I was to stand over here and do a photo shoot and block that part out, of course, let me do it like this. If I move you guys closer, come on, come on. Okay, so let me move it over a tad. And then perfect. So if you guys want to flip it and make it vertical as well, you have that option too. It's really pretty and really nice. And literally you can't see any of the side walls or anything. Now if I scoot the camera back, you can. I do have a lens on this camera that doesn't have zoom, so I do actually have to move the camera back and forth, which is totally fine. I'm not complaining at all. So anyway, you can do it like this, or I can flip you guys. Come on, come on. I can flip you guys back up, tighten it back, and then we're back in business for YouTube videos. As you guys can see now, I have my own at-home studio. Super simple, and I love it. All I'm filming with is some natural lighting behind me. I will show you guys that in a second. But yes, so this is what it looks like. And this is the window that I was telling you guys about that I film in front of. It's a pretty large window, as you guys can see. And then also here is my ring light that I use whenever it is dark outside and I want to still film. If the camera will focus, you guys can see it. But yeah, so that's the ring light that I use. There we go. And then there's some other lighting equipment that I use. And I just kind of keep it tucked away in this corner. And I also can break it down and stick it over besides there as well. So anyway, if you guys want to see more videos on my lighting equipment and anything else, let me know again down below in the comments. This was literally a lifesaver for me because before I used to like cut the paper off and stick it to the wall with painter's tape, but that was like a waste of paper and a waste of time because then I never wanted to take it down because then that meant I was gonna have to fold it up, throw it in the trash, I'll use a whole nother thing of paper to do it again. And so this is just a way easier way for me to do it. This is what the paper looks like from this view. As you guys can see, I have the tack right there on the wall, and then the edge of the curtain rod and the edge of the curtain rod over here. If you guys don't have a 1-bedroom apartment, if you want to hang your backdrop somehow, this is an amazing way to do so. So your girl is excited because this has literally saved so much time whenever it comes to filming, etc. So whenever it's time to roll it up, all I do is I take out the push pin, of course. See, as I hold it, it rolls down. You don't want that to happen while you're filming. So all I do is I put the push pin right up here. That way I have them ready. I have my pin up here and a whole bunch of stuff up here. Anyway, all I do is roll it up like this. There we go. And then, since this one already has the tape on it, I just tack it up like that. And then boom. It's not gonna stay, there we go. All I do is take it down whenever I'm done. And then I pop these off. And then I'll pop that one off as well. And then that way, it's really just 2 nails on the wall. Like, who's ever gonna know this? Sometimes I just leave these up. It's my apartment and nobody's ever in here. So, okay, and so then I store all of my paper right in this coat closet. If it'll focus for you guys. If you guys try this, let me know, and I would love to see your recreations of it. I haven't seen anybody do this before, and so whenever I was like, why don't I just use a curtain rod and tack it on the wall? Like literally, I thought that was the most brilliant idea ever, and it has literally saved me so much time because whenever it comes to filming, I don't have a whole beauty setup. I don't have a whole beauty room. Eventually I will, but I do not have a whole beauty room or a filming room, and so you gotta do with what you have. I have a 1-bedroom apartment, and so this right here works. If I'm filming a makeup tutorial, I can sit right in front of this. I don't have to worry about lighting. I also have a ring light behind you guys, and I use that whenever it's dark, and the lighting is still great too. So I absolutely love these. I will have the links to these backdrops and stuff right down below in the description box for you guys. I have a ton of colors like you guys saw. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you guys and simple enough. Again, this has saved me so much time. So anyway guys, I love you so very much, and I hope this video has helped you. If you guys want to see more videos of my filming setup, my lighting, my camera, my microphone, which is right here. If you want to see any more of that, you want to see any details, you want to know how I do it, etc., let me know down below in the description box. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys want to know any more of my tips and tricks for filming YouTube videos and sound and camera and lenses, etc., let me know down below in the comments, because I do want to create content that you guys want to see. And so if you guys want to see this, of course I will make the series for you guys as well. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, and again, let me know if this was helpful down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.